Hello, my friends. Welcome back. How are you? I hope doing okay. Let's see what I'm up to today, shall we? So we're going to work out of these three molds. They're beautiful flower molds. And if anyone's interested in where I got them from, I will give you the description, the link in the comment section. If you're interested in it, just let me know. All three of them came from Temu. But if you want me to give you the direct link to take you right to it, just let me know and I will surely do that. Okay, we're going to create some really cute refrigerator magnets with these three molds, you guys. We're going to, after we cast in here and pull our casting out, we're going to drill a hole in. We'll decide where when we pop it out to make sure it's kind of centered in the flower. And we're going to drill a hole there and then put a ring in it. And then we're going to create some really cute little bottles, little glass bottles. We're going to create a cute little scene in there. And then we will dangle it from our flower with a couple of other cute little things that we make. And they're going to be super cute. So if you're interested in watching me create that, then kick back, relax, and let's get to it. Okay, for this mold, we're going to use the Let's Resin Intense Chameleon powders. For this mold, we're going to use this Silk Violaceous. It's beautiful. Okay, and for this one, I want to do like, sort of like an ombre, but not really. I want to take this Mod Podge Purple Violet alcohol ink and I want to put it around in here and make it look like the petals were kind of dipped in this color. And then we'll go in the back with some of these. And we're going to use all kinds of stuff to decorate our little glass bottles. I've got some of this right here. I've got some of these. Some of these. Some of these. Some of these. And we're going to try out these Diamond Dust Glitter UV Resin thing. They're supposed to be really pretty, but they're like diamond dust. So we're going to see how they perform for us. But the only thing I'm going to use these for is to decorate or color the top of our bottle here. And then we'll take like some other stuff and fancy it up. We're gonna get real cute with it, y'all. And I'm gonna put a fairy or two in one of our bottles. And we're gonna put some water droplets on maybe one or two of our flowers. So let's get to it. And also, these are going to be giveaways for my channel. So, you have to pay attention to the video because in all through the video, I'm going to put my little Chihuahua, a picture of him. He will be in the video. I'm not going to tell you how many times, because you're going to have to watch the whole video to count how many times he's in there. And at the end, you need to let me know how many times you counted him, how many times you've seen him in my video. He can be little, he can be big. You just got to pay attention to where he's at and how many times he's in the video. And I'm going to put a picture of him here, here, or here, right about now, to give you an idea of what you're looking for. I Googled games, you know, online games that you could play, and a scavenger hunt kept coming up, and I was trying to figure out how we could do a scavenger hunt for a giveaway. And somewhere it was mentioned by placing an object, you know, in the video. And I thought, oh, I could do my Chihuahua. So that's how I came up with this idea. So if we play it and y'all end up liking it, we may do it again. I don't know if anybody else does it. I've never seen anybody do it in their videos, but that's not to say someone else doesn't, because when I looked it up, it was quite a few, you know, ideas like that. So I'm sure someone else has done it, but I thought that was so much fun. I love scavenger hunts. I just love stuff like that. So I'm hoping you all do too, because it's going to be sort of like that. You're going to have to find my Chihuahua in the video and count him every time that he pops up. So I hope this is going to be fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you don't, just let me know in the comment section, and we'll play the game a different way next time I do my giveaway. Okay? Let me get some resin. Okay, here are the rules, because every drawing must have some kind of rules, right? Okay, number 1, you must be a subscriber, of course. Number 2, you must like the video. Number 3, count the Chihuahuas you see. Number 4, type yes or no, I want to be, I don't want to be entered into the drawing, along with the number of Chihuahuas you counted, in the comment section below. And good luck to you all. Okay, these two are ready, so let's go ahead and demold them. I'm hoping that this one doesn't have any green leaves in it, because if you'll remember, I told you I've never casted in it before. So I'm hoping it don't have any green leaves in it. Oh, thank goodness. That's beautiful. That's a budding bloom right there. That is so pretty. Okay, now let's see. This one is our intense chameleon powders. This was my very first time using the intense chameleon powders. I've used chameleon powders before, but never the intense ones. Oh, it turned out pretty. I like it. Okay. Okay, we have a few things to demold. Let's go ahead and demold our last flower. I went ahead and poured the back in this. I showed you all what I was going to use for it. Remember, we put the Mod Podge purple alcohol ink in it, and I wanted it to come out looking like the petals were dipped. So let's see if I achieved that look. Oh my goodness, it did. It's beautiful. That is so cute. I'm so happy that that turned out for me. Okay. Now, I have a few things here I'm going to demold. I'm not sure if we're going to use them on our flowers, but I have them as choices, just in case. And this is a dove. And this is praying hands. And I just went ahead and poured the lock on this, but I think we're just using the key for one of our fairy glass jars. Might can see it better on there. Okay, and then here's the pieces that I painted with the chameleon, the intense chameleon powders. The little etchings in there, I brushed them with the chameleon mica. And this is what we got on this one. It's a wing, like an angel wing here, a half moon, and a little star. And this is a pretty little owl. And this is a set of wings. And like I said, I'm not sure what we'll use. I just have quite a bit of things here to make sure we have enough to choose from. Okay, I started on this this flower right here. I'm going to take these stones right here and work them around the petal. I thought that would be so pretty on this one. And I may just, I don't know if I'm not sure how I'm going to finish this one out, but that's where it's starting at. And for this one right here, I picked this diamond dust glitter that I'm going to go around the petals. Okay, let's go ahead and start on, let's put our holes in here first. Let's see where we want this one at. I think I'm going to put this one right here. And I'm going to use this little handy tool right here. I absolutely love this tool. I got it from littlewindows.com, and I absolutely love it. I'm just going to take it right here. Did you see that? Isn't that nuts? I love this tool. And then I'm going to go from the back and do the same thing. Okay. Now we need to figure out where we want it at on this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go right back through it here. Okay, perfect. And then on this one, let's see where a good spot might be. Let's do right about here. And I'm going to come back through the back side. Okay, that's perfect. Now we've got our holes done. I cut this little fairy out right here to use in our fairy jar. And I'm just going to choose this regular old glass jar right here. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go ahead and drop her down in there. Like that. Now I'm going to give her some, this is green grass and flowers all in one. So we're going to give her a little bit of that in there. We're going to give her a mushroom in there because, you know, fairies, they have mushrooms where they're at. And she's pretty much done. Okay, well that part's done. Now we're going to decorate the top of the bottle. Only the best for my subscribers. Okay. We're going to put that right there because those two is going to go on this jar. Now, we are going to get one of these colors here. I think we might use this color. Or this one. It's going to be one of the two. Let's check them out. I've never used these before. This is my first time using them. I'm going to get my UV light right here. Alright, now we're going to take, I love this stuff right here. I get it from Hobby Lobby. And it's kind of expensive, but if you go when it's 50% off, then you get it for $5.99. So yeah, I use it for all kinds of stuff. You can use it all kinds of ways because you can cut those strips down real easy. See, watch this. I'm just going to show you how easy it is because I'll use this piece because I use them all the time, so I'm not worried about that. I just want to show you how awesome this stuff is and how easy it is. If you want to get 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, whatever, how many lines you want, just whoop, whoop, whoop. You see how easy that was? Okay, so we're going to take this strip right here. I hope that's enough. I was just cutting away, y'all. Wasn't even paying attention to getting the right size. We're going to go around the jar right here to hide our line that we made from the UV resin to the glass jar, from the quart to the glass jar, to make it look nice and clean. Okay, And I'm going to have to cut off, it looks like 2 of them. Maybe 3. Yep, perfect. Okay. Now we're going to take some more UV resin and we're going to put it around where that's going. My finger keeps sitting on there where it needs to. Okay. And there is our precious little fairy jar. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys really quick how you can use these diamond dust glitter UV resin. I'm taking and edging the flower with it, and I just wanted you to see how wonderful these things can be. With certain things you can use them for. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, I just wanted to show you how I was doing that, and one of the ways you can use these diamond dust glitter UV resin. This is my first time using them, but I am loving them so far. Okay, I'll see you back in a little bit. Okay, you can buy these that I'm fixing to make, but we're going to make ours from scratch, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you get some wire right here, and we're going to cut our wire probably about right there. That's probably more than we need, but we would rather have more than not enough. And then I'm going to take our piece here and hold it here, and I'm going to use this tool right here, and I'm going to go down our wire and straighten it out. Okay, now I'm going to take this tool right here, and I'm going to curl our end up right like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and drop our little crystal bead on here. And then I'm going to put our little charm on. And I'm going to make sure the crystal is pushed up on the wire, and I'm going to make sure our charm is in the loop. And now I'm going to push that down on that and make it like that. Now we're going to put our letters on. And now our last crystal to top it off. Okay, now I'm going to use my wire cutters here, and I'm going to cut about that much off, so I have enough to curl it down. Right like that. There will also be something free in the bag, a surprise, with your refrigerator magnet. So you'll at least get something that's a surprise that you won't know what it is. Okay, I finished our flower refrigerator magnets for the giveaway for my subscribers. And here they are. It took me a while to do those stones around there. They're so tiny. That's the first one. And here's the second one. I put water beads on the flower because when I think of a flower, just drops of water comes to mind too. And then this little jar I made, I put holographic crosses in it. A jar of holographic crosses. And then I put diamonds around the jar. I put them on the top of the jar. And then a few going around the top of the lid. Then the word pray is going down with a dove and some wings. And here's number 3. And it's the one that I wanted it to look like the petals were dipped. And it turned out perfectly. And then I put diamonds around the key. And then I put diamonds around the jar and on top of the jar. And then there's our fairy in there with her mushroom, flowers, and grass. So here they are. For those of you who stayed through the entire video, I have no words to express how grateful I am to have you here. I truly appreciate your time. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you for allowing me to be part of it. I hope to see you in the next video. God bless you, my friends. Bye-bye.